Hey guys, it's me, Enigma again. Man, as soon as I start this whole channel deal, I love it, don't get me wrong, but it's just kind of funny to me. Like, as soon as I try to start making content, stuff like this crap kind of happens, you know? Well, I got relieved from work last night, and when I did, this is a black car, okay? You know, the Camaro, this is the Camaro. Straight black car, like you can barely see this thing at nighttime, and I understand that. And Coworkers, when they came in at 4:30 this morning to come relieve me since I'm night shift, then this is what happened. They ran into it. They couldn't see it, I guess, and they ran into it, knocked the paint off of it. It's cracked real bad there. Which this paint job is absolutely terrible, to be honest. So I wasn't expecting much, but honestly, this is kind of an upgrade because we decided not to take, get cops or insurance claims involved, because this is something that could be easily fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them get this fixed, and they did that to it, and they scuffed up the bumper here. So I already got a quote from Galindo's body shop. Found out the guy's shop is literally 0.2 miles away from my house. So I'm gonna go ahead and get him to get it repaired, and he said that he'll go ahead and get the whole front bumper replaced, not replaced, but not replaced, but repainted. And then he said he can fix this part here. He said that he can basically kind of, get that part out of it and then fix it all up, and then whatever paint he has left, he's going to fix a bunch of these blemishes that was already on the hood anyways. So not bad in my opinion for $550, but hopefully y'all guys can hear me because it is windy out here. But yeah, it happened last night, or in this case this morning, but it's all right. Honestly, it was kind of to a point, it's kind of a good thing, because think about it, I'm gonna have the hood patched up and get a couple of the blemishes taken care of it, and then the bumper is gonna look brand new because it's gonna get repainted. And I did put a quote on the wing. I know it may not be the greatest idea to do one part at a time, but this wing is the most terrible part about it, besides the top of the car. And you can obviously tell that this car used to be red. You can see it there too as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, and it just depends on how money's gonna come in. But if money comes in, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy to go ahead and do the wing as well for $150, and he'll get that repainted and get it reinstalled for me. And yeah, that's about it, man. It's really not bad. It could have been a whole lot worse. They pulled up, and then when it came to back up into the parking spot, they didn't see the black car. So it happens. It's no big deal. I've been in these kids' shoes. These guys are 19 to 22 years old. It's two kids. One kid drops one guy off for that security spot to drop me to relieve me, and then he goes to his post, which is only 5 miles away. So when he came to drop him off, they ran into it. So it's no big deal. We'll get it fixed. Honestly, it's kind of a blessing kind of a thing, because honestly now I'm getting it fixed for none of my cost. So it's gonna look a little bit better in the front end at least, and then I'll probably spend the $150 when it comes payday, and we'll get that wing fixed too. So anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys, right when you first get something, more than likely something's gonna happen to it. But it's all good. All right, man. Yeah, I'll see y'all later. Oh, and one more thing. I thought the drag strip was gonna be opening up. I didn't really pay that much attention to the dates. I was wrong. But I'm actually probably gonna do a couple acceleration vids here soon. I'll probably throw on the DRs and find a road out in the middle of nowhere or whatever, and we'll let her rip. Nobody's around, and I'll give y'all a couple acceleration vids, and just to give y'all a heads up. Anyways, laters.